Here's Cal opening his present from Uncle Brian, Sherry. What you got in there?
What's in there?
What could it be? What is it?
Oh, no. Look, it has an airplane on the side. Cal,
Yeah.
you're the coolest kid.
What kind of airplane is that?
Is that a jet?
Does Mommy know?
Should Mommy know? Is that F-16?
Yeah, it looks like an F-16.
Yay!
Look at that. Cool, Cal.
Cal, you're so cool.
Now you have a
Look
cool
at
helmet to
that.
wear when we take you bike riding, and when you just walk around the house so you don't kill yourself. When you trip everywhere.
Ready?
Ooh, cool.
You look like you should be jumping some motorcycles out in the parking lot.
Yeah.
What?
Should take off that little front part.
Whoa, you're so
Looks
cool.
like a baseball hat.
Who's the coolest?
He's like, what
Say,
is on my head?
Thank you. Thank you for my helmet. I look adorable. Oh, I'm gonna take it off. He's like, we're not going for a bike ride. Excuse me.
What's this thing under my chin? Oh, thank you, Brian Sherry.